For over a decade, Syria has been at the heart of one of the most devastating conflicts in modern history. The Syrian Civil War, which began in 2011, has left millions displaced, countless lives lost, and a nation in ruins. The war started as peaceful protests during the Arab Spring, demanding reforms and greater freedom. However, it quickly escalated into a brutal conflict involving multiple factions, regional powers, and international intervention. This war brought unimaginable suffering to the Syrian people. Over 6 million were forced to flee their homes, and entire cities were reduced to rubble. Over the years, numerous attempts were made to negotiate peace. Ceasefires came and went, but the road to stability remained elusive. Recent developments suggest that the war may finally be nearing an end. Reports indicate progress in peace talks, the withdrawal of foreign troops, and efforts to rebuild the nation. But peace is just the beginning. Rebuilding Syria will take years, requiring immense effort from its people and support from the international community. Syria's story is a reminder of the resilience of its people and the need for unity and compassion in the face of devastation. Let us hope this marks the start of a new chapter for the Syrian people, a chapter of peace, healing, and rebuilding.